Hello guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Last puzzle not in today's newspaper of Thursday, November the 18th. No, it's the edition of Monday, November the 15th, 2021. We have one puzzle left. And it's a Tectonic one, Tectonic with a 1 star. And this one will be a number, I believe, number 3705. Yes, 3705. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. 15 could be a hard one, could be an easy one. I think whether it's a easy one because it's a 1 star. For a 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No, only 1. Then the following question, dual boxes. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? No, I can't see any dual boxes. I see a couple of triple boxes. Here, a triple box. If you see a triple box, remember that the box near the inside box of the near the middle box, yes, it can be only the 4 or a 5 here. Those 3 boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 here. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Here, another triple box. So this box, the inside box, near the middle box, could be a 4 or a 5. And I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Here also a triple box. So the box near the middle box, the inside box, here also a box near the middle box. It could be the 4 or a 5, but it cannot be a 4 because we already have a 4 here. So this box should be a 5. Here also 4 or a 5. And this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have in this puzzle quadra box? No. I cannot see any quadra box. I see. Okay, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Here we have an L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Here we have another L shape, so this box is the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Let me see. No. I can't see any same shape here. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Here we have the T shape. We have here the T shape. Here upside down the T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box here. But also that this box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, more T-shapes in this puzzle? No. Only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Yeah, this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. But there are more, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have 4. So the next step, next strategy is, let's get starting filling the numbers then. Because for recognizing these shapes, then it's easy for filling the numbers. That's the next step. Alright. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area, T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those, 1 and 3. Well, it cannot be a 1 if I place a 1 here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it should be a 3, this box. And that box should be also 3. So 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These 2 boxes in this area are left for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here in this triple box. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. Then this box cannot, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes in this triple box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3 in this triple box. 2 and the 3. Well, if I place a 2 here, this box has the same number as that box. Should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 here. So it can be a 2. The 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, let me mark those, 2 and the 3. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 3, okay. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Okay. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 4 and a 5. We already have a 4 here. So overlook this 4. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So the 1, only 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box I have marked with the 4 or a 5. So it cannot be a 1. Okay. So these 2 boxes can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Thinking. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 4 and a 5 are left. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. Okay. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have already 2 there. So it can be 2 here. The 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. This box can be 2. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here. Oh, we already have a 4 here. So those 2 boxes can be 4. This box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Think. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. So this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, 3 and a 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Okay, now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 3 and a 5, okay. Let me think. Well, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3 or a 5, and it cannot be a 4. Definitely a 2. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 3 and a 5. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Final number of this this area for number 4. Finish in 40 minutes. Correct. Told you, faster than 50 minutes, a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Friday, almost weekend. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.